Hello everybody, J3GS Farm. Putting my gloves back on. JGD here. How y'all doing today? It's extremely hot. It's 90 something degrees out here, but I keep putting it off. But I want to come out here and take care of this long hive out here. That fella out there. Looking from here, the left side is strong, but the right side, I had moths and beetle damage in there, and the queen disappeared. So what I'm gonna do is clean this hive out, and I'm gonna let the strong side take over the whole hive. So let's go with me and see what it's like. It's gonna be a bumpy ride for a second. Now my smoker want to go out. Come on now. You can do it. You can do it. It is hot out here. I thank God for this little bit of shade from the tree line. All the bees are hanging out up here, so apparently, well, I'm pretty sure there's nothing on this side right here. So let's get to work. Let's get to work. I got a few bees up in there. Well, apparently they got more bees in here than they had before, but I think I still want to make it one hive because it seems like they're struggling. Yeah, I got them little critters all in here. That up there for a while. Let me take a good look at this fella before I really do what I wants to do. All these frames with nothing on it, the frames with nothing on it, they have to be checked real good because the moth lay their little creatures right in the crevices of it, and a lot of times you don't see it till the last minute. They're building this up, but there's no queen on this side. There's no queen on here. They're not really doing anything to this but just hanging out. They're not putting anything in it. They're drawing that one out a little bit. But there's no queen to put anything in it. There's no moths in it. Where you see all dug out and everything, that was me. I did a lot of digging to get the moths up out of here last time I was in here. There's nothing in the corners. And like I said, there's no queen in here, but I'm gonna get this cleaned up. You might see it, might not, but there's some rolling around up in there, some moth worms, but they getting up out of here. I get this inside clean right here, and what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna seal this inside off. I'm gonna put some tape on it, put some tape on the inside and outside of the other one, on the inside and outside this side, and some tape on the inside one over here, and you're gonna see what it do. I have to bring my scissors out with me, but that's all right. Yeah, it sounds like y'all want to be mad, but ain't no need being mad. You ain't got no queen in here. Where that wax moth came from, you are no more. Okay, that's squared away. I got the feeling they're gonna fight it out, but that's all right. I think you can handle it. Another thing, this long hive is something brand new to me, but I think I'm gonna do some modifications because I find, me personally, I don't know how everybody else do, but me personally, I find it harder to get honey out of this long hive because I don't want to kill any of the bees. And you got honey and you got brood in the same frame, and I'd rather not hurt the bees. So I think I'll build something up that'll fit on the inside of this cover and put an excluder on it so I can get some honey from the top of it. That's just me. Like I said, hey, I'm not a professional. It's just something I like doing, and I'm doing it. Let me see. Move you. I gotta move all y'all over right quick. Let the sun hit that a while. Okay, let me put a piece of tape and close this side up. This hole right here is sealed from the outside, but I just want to seal it up on the inside so that the bees aren't hanging out in there. So now it's time to combine these fellas. Looking for my smoke. My smoke is sitting right up top. This side is still doing outstanding. This frame is extremely heavy. This side is just building up. A little bit of honey in the top. That side got honey in it. It's not capped, but it's full of honey. This one is honey and brood. This one is just capped at the top. I'm not gonna pull them all out, but let me pull y'all over here and let you see. I think you can see it. It's doing good. It has some honey in it, but it's not capped. You only got a small portion that's capped. And the queen is right here on top. She need to get back down there. All right. She's back in there. Now, I'm gonna put these fellas back together. Now, what was 2 hives is now 1 hive. I hope they don't fight too bad, but hey, y'all gotta be like family. Make up, kiss up, do whatever you gotta do, because now we all in the family. Yeah, they're making a lot of ruckus, but hey, we are family. Ooh, thank you, Lord. Got a nice little breeze coming in. Okay, everything looking good. Let me cover these girls back up. I'm gonna have to change my board out and get a better board because I'm gonna have to double it up right here. But that's all right. It is good. Put a brick on the inside. Now, I'll leave them alone. I'm gonna leave them alone and let them become one. Put my knife up so I don't leave that back here. But like I said, it's hot. I'm not even gonna bother the other two hives. This was my main concern right here. I need to put some tape or something on this fella so they stop. When you open it up, they like to spin and get the pressure off of them. All right. That's it. Let's go back over to the truck. Oh, got y'all facing the ground. Hang in there with me for a second, Charlie. Hello again, everybody. Seemed like this was over an hour, and apparently it's nothing but 25 minutes. But it's clouding up even worse out here, and I hear a few of that rumbling in this. So I'm most definitely not going in the other two hives. When it's hot, it's trouble getting up out of this suit. Oh. Whew. I don't know about you other beekeepers, but everybody I know, I tell you, make sure you get yourself some headbands. It cuts down the sweat from going in your eyes. Look at all them clouds. They're rolling in. So it's all dark on that end over there. So I'm glad I'm finished for right now. So I want to thank everybody for coming in. JGD-B-Haven. Y'all be blessed now.